Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Let's start you off with a pretty shot of blue sky and sunshine from our Calvin College sky cam on the East Beltline. And boy, after nearly 5 inches of rain so far this month, grass out there looking pretty green. We've had to cut it quite a few times here in the month of June. Well, not much going on in our area. We are dry at the current time, but out to the west, that box is our first tornado watch of the day, covering eastern Nebraska and western Iowa. We expect some strong storms developing out there, and they will move east into northern Illinois and maybe southern Wisconsin. They may make it across the lake, but I don't think at that point they will be severe. Tomorrow night is the night we have the better chance for picking up severe storms as this whole system shifts off a little bit farther to the east. In the meantime, boy, enjoy this evening. Look at this. Clear skies out there. Temperature hangs up at around 74. Winds will taper off to around 5 to 10 miles an hour overnight tonight. These current temperatures, a lot of mid-80s from Grand Rapids down off to the south. A little bit cooler, Big Rapids, Ludington. There's been a little bit more cloud cover up there this afternoon. And of course, with the southwest wind coming in off the lake, temperatures a bit cooler there in the mid-70s. But heat index not too bad. We're at 85 Grand Rapids, 87 Kalamazoo Regional Airport, and the South Haven Airport at 89. Of course, that heat index would be lower at the beach. Winds southwest, and we'll continue the southwest wind, keeping this muggy air around for tonight and during the day tomorrow. Here's what we're tracking for you. First of all, it stays warm and muggy for tonight and tomorrow. We do have a chance of a shower or thunderstorm, not a sure thing, just a chance for tonight, later tonight, and during the daytime hours tomorrow. But boy, we are focused on Monday night. That's the possibility of strong and possibly even severe storms. Main threat from that will be damaging winds, and we'll continue to update that. Right now, not much going on. It's partly cloudy, Kalamazoo south. It's mostly sunny up around the Grand Rapids area. We'll put this into motion. We're running to about 3 a.m. and a couple of thunder showers try and develop and then sneak into Oceana County. Most of us kind of stay dry, and I think during the day tomorrow there may be an isolated shower, thunder shower developing, but much of the day will be dry. But we focus on the evening. Here's the big yellow area coming east from Wisconsin. This is right about sunset time. There may be an isolated shower, thunder shower ahead of this line, but that big yellow glob, that is the main threat coming on in. It comes through the Grand Rapids area here around midnight, 1 a.m., and then down to the Battle Creek area at around 4 a.m. Along that line, there could be some very strong winds and some heavy rainfall. Once that gets by us, the rest of the week should be pretty tranquil. 87 degrees tomorrow. Most of the day looks like this. While we have a chance of a storm, 90% of the time it will not be raining. At Lake Michigan, your waves tomorrow should range from a foot down toward Benton Harbor to around 3 to 4 feet off to the north of the Muskegon area. It will be a little choppy out there, so a moderate risk. Be very careful. Don't swim near the Grand Haven breakwater here during the day tomorrow as those winds pick up. Well, after we get the 87 degrees tomorrow, temperatures start to cool off a bit. Just a beautiful 4th of July weekend coming up with lower humidities, some pleasant temperatures. So make your plans, enjoy the birthday of the US of A.
Yeah, that's right. And you know, we already are hearing on the scanner some incidents down in the water. So you're right that it's
got to watch when you have a southwest wind, especially Grand Haven. When it's a northwest wind, then it's the Holland and Pentwater breakwaters that are more dangerous.
All right, Bill, check this out before you go. You're looking at the tallest water slide in the world here. It is 17 stories high. Ooh. They call it verrückt, which means insanity in German. Of course, you knew that already, Bill.
Well, I think we mentioned that once before. I love water slides. I really do. I don't know that I'd love that one, but I'll take Michigan's adventure. I think those water slides are great over there.
Well, this one's in Kansas City, Missouri. Its opening has been delayed now 4 times. There's a first-person look at what it's like to go
Hang on,
down.
everybody.
Oh, my gosh. I'm going to lose my cookies here.
17 stories. Wow.
But they're pushing the opening day off repeatedly because of some issues there. They keep running into some kind of a problem, but they are not saying what the problem is. Now, for some perspective on just how big this thing is, in case you didn't get that yet, here's a look at Grand Rapids' tallest building. That's the River House there on the left. This water slide would be more than halfway up to the top of that building. You have to wonder if there are some safety concerns there. This is not very...
Yeah, that word issues. A little warning flag goes up there, too.
Right. Well, it almost makes it worse when they won't say what it is.
Yeah, I'm a little hesitant, being the scientist that I am, to go on a ride when it first comes out. I know they tested it, but mostly they test it with dummies. And but anyhow, water slides are fun. On a hot day, boy, can't beat that.
All right. With that distance, though, you pick up a lot of speed.
You sure do.
Does make you want to do it, though, when it's hot out. Bill, thanks.